Adaptive Drive, the new dimension and vehicle dynamic systems in the BMW X5. Certain vehicle dynamic influences cause self-movement of the body, which can be categorized and displayed in three categories. From a design perspective, the coordinate system with its three spatial coordinate axes makes a definition of these degrees of freedom possible. The main direction of movement, or the direction of travel, is defined by the longitudinal axis of the coordinate system and is referred to as longitudinal dynamics. Longitudinal dynamic vehicle states such an acceleration or braking lead to a diving of the vehicle and vehicle movement about the transverse axis. If the movement direction is on the transverse axis, as in steering operations or evasive maneuvering, this is referred to as lateral motion dynamics, and the vehicle is subject to rolling movements about the longitudinal axis. If body movement is on the vehicle vertical axis, this is referred to as vertical dynamics, which designates the up and down movements of the body, for instance on bumpy roads, as lifting. The last movement about the vertical axis of the vehicle is referred to as yawing. Looking at the vertical dynamic share of the presented self-movements of the body by analyzing the active forces of the individual movements, such as diving, rolling, and lifting in a vertical direction, it quickly becomes clear that active running gear control systems with a vertical dynamics management system make a considerable contribution to increased comfort of vehicle passengers. The aim of BMW engineers is suspension tuning that offers customers a sporty handling performance and a maximum degree of comfort. Conventional running gears influence the vertical dynamics with passive springs, shock absorbers, and anti-roll bars. Although they offer a high degree of safety, ultimately they only represent compromise between dynamics and comfort. The solution to this conflict of aims is active vehicle dynamic systems.